Hey guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Dip-dyed tapestries can be pretty expensive online, especially if you're looking for something that's really personalized. So today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. So let's get started.
The materials you will need are 1/8 of an inch cotton upholstery cord, a dowel, scissors, all-purpose RIT dye, dye fixative, fray check, gloves, salt, several large containers that can hold boiling water, paper towels, and a drop cloth to cover your workspace. Cut the cord to double the length that you want it. You're going to cut off an inch or two at the end, so add that into your measurement. This doesn't have to be super exact. I'm using my arm as a rough measurement, but feel free to use a ruler or a measuring tape. Tie the cording to the dowel by folding each piece in half and pulling the ends through the loop around the dowel. Make your dye baths. I'm using gray, pink, orange, and red RIT dye. Don't forget to add your salt. This step is optional, but I totally recommend taking a few scrap pieces of cording and dipping them in the dye baths to make sure that the colors are exactly how you want them. Start by dipping your tapestry in clean, warm water and letting it sit for a few minutes so the fibers open up. Something I found really helpful was starting with a sketch of what I wanted and working off of that. Then I got to dipping. I started dipping the tapestry in pink, up to about 3 inches from where I wanted the color to start. Keep pulling the tapestry out and re-dipping until you get the color you want. You don't want to let the cords just sit in the dye bath. Then move to your second and third colors. Be really mindful about getting dye on your hands, because if you're leaving parts of the tapestry natural, you don't want to get dye spots in spots that should be clean. Now, I wanted the first color to be gray, but I didn't start with gray because it would make the other colors look dull. So I'm going to be folding the cords and dipping just the sections I want dyed in gray. Do this for any color in your pattern that will not blend well, or if it's darker than the colors below it. Spray fixative onto the tapestry and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Elevate the dowel slightly so the dye does not travel up the cord. Rinse the dye out, starting with warm water and then moving to cold. Once the water is running clear, hang it to dry. Trim the ends of each cord separately to your desired length. Use fray check at the end of each cord to lock the fibers in place.
And now your tapestry is complete. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Let us know how your tapestries come out and like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.